The world is in a technological revolution, and it's not slowing down. In fact, the pace of innovation is accelerating as we get closer to 2030. Technological developments have never been more exciting or important for humanity than now, and this will continue for the foreseeable future. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. AI and robot replacements are making their way into many industries. AI will replace many human workers in manufacturing and other industries, as well as customer service and other services. AI will also be used to help with healthcare, transportation and government services. Robots may be able to do many tasks better than humans do or perform tasks that require physical strength or dexterity that humans cannot perform without injuring themselves or others around them. In the year 2023, artificial intelligence will be used more than ever before. It will help us to do things that we can't even imagine today, and it will make decisions for us. AI is already being used in our daily lives today. Siri allows you to ask questions using voice commands or answers based on your previous history with the app. For example, what's my birth date? Alexa helps you control smart devices like lights, appliances and thermostats by giving them voice commands, like lighting up another room. Beyond machine learning and deep learning, cognitive technologies for the future of computing and AI. We are on the cusp of a new age of computing, one that promises to be more human than ever before. As we've seen with machine learning and deep learning, these techniques can enable computers to make decisions in complex situations by analyzing large amounts of data. But what if we could use cognitive technologies for the future of computing? Cognitive technology is an umbrella term used to describe any technology that uses artificial intelligence, AI, principles such as machine learning and deep learning, and it includes more than just these two areas alone. This includes other emerging AI disciplines such as natural language processing, NLP, or speech recognition, as well as psychological studies like human-computer interaction. They all share a common goal: making computers smarter by giving them knowledge about their users' interests, needs and preferences. In 2023, 3D printing will become more common in the home. As such, it is likely that you'll be able to find a 3D printer for sale at your local hardware store or online. If you have an idea for a new product or design, there are plenty of places where you can get started with creating it yourself using a SLA machine or even just printing out parts of an existing object. 3D printers aren't just used by designers anymore either. They're being used by everyone from surgeons who need tools to repair damaged organs, scientists who want to study how tissue grows, engineers looking for better ways of building things like cars and planes, artists trying their hands at creating sculptures made entirely out of recycled materials, like sand. In the future, you may soon be able to get a prescription for your blood pressure without having to go to a doctor. You will no longer have to worry about whether or not you have high blood pressure or diabetes, because there are new medical devices that can do these tests automatically. This is especially helpful for people who don't have time and money on their side, like students and young professionals who work full-time jobs while going to school at night or taking care of their children during the day. The technology behind this new system is called deep learning. It involves using computers' ability to learn from examples instead of just following rules set by humans, as opposed to supervised learning, which uses human input. It's already being tested in hospitals around the world. Once fully implemented, it could save millions of lives each year worldwide. Blockchain is a new way to store and share data. It's also a decentralized system, which means that it doesn't need a central authority like a bank or government to operate. Blockchain technology uses distributed ledger technology, DLT, to manage transactions between two parties in an efficient way. The first use of DLT was for cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but now there are many other applications for the technology. The next 10 years will be full of technological developments, including new technologies that currently have no name. The pace of technological advancement has never been faster, and the world is changing at an exponential rate. You can expect to see a lot more change than ever before in your lifetime, and if you're not ready for it, there's something wrong with you. We are entering an era of unprecedented technological advancements, which will have a profound impact on our lives. The next 10 years will see many new inventions and innovations come to light, including the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles, artificial intelligence and robotics. We must stay informed about these developments so that we can prepare ourselves for this future world where everything is connected online through technology. If you want nothing to be hidden, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.